Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to use the conference app in Schoology, and I'm going to speak kind of fast and go kind of fast because I only have a limited amount of time to record this video. So the first thing is you need to use Google Chrome. The conference app will not work in Internet Explorer, so just use Google Chrome. Go to the website, Greenwood District website, go to Schoology and sign in. Once you get to Schoology, you're going to click on your courses, and then you can click the course that your teacher has told you to go to. So I'm going to click the 4th grade homeroom, which is where the 4th grade assignments are. And down here at the bottom on the left on this menu, you see conferences. So we're going to click that. Now, what conferences does this app allows for the teacher and the student to interact both live, and it also records it so students can go back later and look back at what the class talked about. So if the student misses the conference, then they can go back and look at it again. Now, the teacher will set up the conference at the student's request. For example, here, let's say that I said we're going to do just a live talk about the characters in our story. Students come here, they go to the active tab. That means those are the ones that have not been used yet. They're going to do start conference. Don't worry if you're the first one there, just hang tight. Other people will join. You're going to click microphone, click allow. You click the thumbs up for the echo test, and then you can just minimize this little screen right here. Now at the bottom here, right now we just have our microphone, which is right here. You can mute the microphone if you don't want anybody to hear what you're talking about, or if you needed to step away for a second, and you're back on. And then this is your webcam. It's up to your teacher if she wants you to use the webcam or not. Here's your picture. Start sharing, and then it will show up. Just give it a second. There I am. Hello. Now when it's time to be finished, just click these 3 dots and you can click end meeting. And that's that. The teacher can also share her screen with you as well, and I'm going to show you that. Now, those that are completed, you can look right here, and the completed conferences will be listed here. This is the one we just did. This is one I did earlier today, but this one and this one we did not record. But this conference I did record, and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like when it pulls up. This is the teacher screen, and this is their desktop. So you press play.
Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at some application strategies and business strategies.
Okay, I'm going to pause it right here because I'm going to speed up a little bit and let you see what it looks like when they share their screen.
18 buttons divided among 6 people. How many buttons would each person get if I divide those buttons?
Okay, so what we're seeing here is you have both the instructor and you have the instructor's screen. So if you're having trouble with something, please email your teacher and say, I need to set up a conference with you, so that your teacher can walk you through that assignment. Okay. And these conferences that are recorded, they last 7 days. 7 days. So if you had a conference with a teacher and you want to go back and replay what they were saying, you can go back for 7 days. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, contact your teacher. Thank you.